ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Kumshibentaban Kyntiew ya ki Longkmie trairi ka National Commission for Women harangkat ka Jingïohi langbat ka Meghalaya Biodiversity Board. Kila penlong ya ka Regional Capacity Building Workshop ban Kyntiew ya ki nongseng kam la jong hapdeng ki Longkmie trairi jong ka dong ka Thai Northeast Region daga ba pensyong nongrim halor ka non-timber forest produce. Yakane ka workshop la penlong ha State Convention Center Shillong hagabalawan banyadon mentalang dau RS Gill ubadai u IFS katanat forest bat kumju ru ka Minakshi Negi kabadai ka member secretary jong ka National Commission for Women nalor ki nongseng kam la jong kabakentup tang ya ki Longkmie. Habakren ha ka Jingïohi ka Rika Sharma ka chairperson jong ka National Commission for Women kalapan pau ba ka NCW menta ka don ya ka Jingïohi Jngai na ka benta ki Longkmie ban Kyntiew ya ka Khaïi Pateng bat kumno ban penyai yo ya ki mar ki mata.
I will leave few things with you people that when you are teaching these girls, especially the resource people, we need to discuss increasing women's central women control over the income from the collection, processing and marketing of non-forest produce. First thing is that organizing women cooperative, how we can organize women cooperatives. Because in Gujarat and in many places we have seen that cooperatives are doing, women cooperatives are doing, even in Jharkhand, in Chhattisgarh, they are doing wonderful job. How we can start in these areas, especially in northeast areas, these cooperatives, maybe they are working, we don't know, but if they are working, they can also come forward and talk and give their input in that what problems they are having and how can we improve these in these areas. Then providing water, shelter at these areas, collection areas, how we can provide them proper toilets, proper water, and also stay. When they are going there to collect these things, maybe sometimes they have to stay there overnight. So these can be provided shelter which is secure and safe for the women. Or welfare measurements. How we can take welfare measurements like how they can save money, their banking system, how they can be taken care of their health. All these welfare systems we have to make these welfare systems, and we need to engage at least 50% of women in all the managerial jobs. Because women are not only for doing labor, they should be part of managerial jobs, and forest department especially should think how they can be part of these jobs. Arrange a loan on easy installments and start their own business. The few of these things we need to talk about in this program. Especially forest department has to be very keen to make women part of all the process, not only for the smaller jobs, but all the jobs where they can make decisions. So decision making should be in women's hand in all the departments. Then only I think things will improve for the women, especially from the